Today's video is a what sold on eBay and Amazon. We've got 8 orders going out on eBay and 1 order for Amazon, so stick with us. Hey, good morning. It is Thursday morning. We're doing a what sold for Wednesday. We've got 8 eBay items and 1 Amazon item. So let's show you what sold. All right. Had a pretty interesting wide range of things sell yesterday on eBay, starting with a toy, and it is in BS1D3. Should be right there, and it is. This sold for $14.99 plus free shipping, and I like I always say plus, but with free shipping. And this is pretty light. It's pretty damaged. The box is pretty beat up, so we'll either put this in a box or a very large bubble mailer and send it on its way. This was an Amazon return, so went into Amazon, got returned to us, and now we're just trying to make some of our money back if we can. And we did, so shouldn't be too tough to ship that out today. So the next item we have is some of our Sharpie markers. You guys have seen this before if you've been a fan of the channel or watching the videos. These we had in bulk, and I think I listed 5 of these. Super fast. I took a picture of the front, took a picture of the back, and we slide those into a bubble mailer, and they sell for $5 plus free shipping. I think we paid $0.25 for them when they were on clearance, so super fast, super easy there. Also, if you've watched the channel, you saw this item sold and then it never got paid for. So after opening a case and getting it relisted, I think it was like 3 days ago, this sold. It's a Ninja Auto IQ. It's to grind coffee and spices. Is a nice sale there. Excuse me. And it sold for $24.99 with free shipping. Another board game sold. This is a very good board game. If you like board games, you should give it a try. It's a worker placement game. It's called Raiders of the North Sea. It's a lot of fun. You actually get 2 turns per your turn, or 2 actions per turn, which is more than most games. That sold for $40 with free shipping. We get those through our wholesale account. All right, we sold another game. It's called Buckaroo, and I'm pretty sure I bought this on clearance or bought it on Black Friday. I'm not sure. We sent it to Amazon. It never sold, so I brought it back. And that's our actually second or third one selling. And this sells for $19.99 plus the buyer pays shipping on it. So a nice little deal there. Another item you guys have probably seen us sell a lot of, as you can see the box is getting a little bit more empty, is these whiskey glass. They're whiskey cigar glasses, and I shake them to make sure they're not broken. I usually open them and double check as well to make sure they're not cracked. Those we paid less than $1 for. That one sold for $13 with free shipping. It costs anywhere from $5 to $8 to ship those out. Here's an item that I listed yesterday that sold, and it sold probably within a few hours of listing. It's a Sirius StarMate 4 ST4 radio with car kit. Actually had a little bit of damage to it, and I'll show you because it's in bubble wrap up here. But you can see it had a little bit of damage right there. Sold for $29.99 plus I charged $2.74 to ship it. But it's all packed up. It's already ready to go. This will just slide into a box and we'll ship that out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 1 order of books, and it is an RM12, which is down here. So I'm going to grab those real quick. All right, here's our book lot. This is just 20 romance, and it goes around wedding and marriage. It had Debbie McComber, Nora Roberts, some pretty popular authors. So 20 books. These were, I think we had them on sale because they sold for $10 and then the buyer paid shipping. So not a great income there, but not bad, as you know, those books were free through the bookstore. All right, on to Amazon. We had 1 order come in for a puzzle. Puzzles are still selling. Let me see which one it is. And it is the World Newport, Rhode Island puzzle. So as you can see here, I've got 3 puzzles, and Let's see, does this have a name on it? I mean, that kind of looks like it. Let me pull up the picture here and see what it looks like. It is the one that looks like this right here. So that's what it looks like. We paid $8 for this puzzle. Puzzles are still hot. They're still selling really well on Amazon and eBay. And it sold for $24.99 plus shipping. Amazon will reimburse us for the shipping. They usually reimburse $4.99 and they cost about $7 to ship. So that's it, guys. That's all we've got today. That's the 8 orders on eBay and 1 order on Amazon. We're going to get those packed up and shipped out. We hope you're having a great week. Stick with it and stay safe, and we'll talk to you guys soon.